Welcome back to Hi Monkey. Hi Paul, hi Monkey. Today we're just going to have a quick whiz around my greenhouse, see what's occurring. Today is Saturday, Sunday, if I get my dates right, correct, 26th of March. Here we have some of these blazing sunset. These are genums that I potted on last week. These were done a couple of days ago. These are some cosmos. Not cosmos, petunias, sorry. These are cosmic, pink and blue, them, 5 of each. And these beautiful ones here. We come round here, let's have a look, see what's up here, shall we? We have my delphiniums, which are looking great. These are some absolutely gorgeous violas here, absolutely stunning. They're all going really well. My delphiniums, new shoots. I cannot wait to get those in the garden. Then we come up to my 2 trays of carnations, also known as pinks. These all need pinching out now. All these will get pinched out to about there, and that will allow lots of little side shoots picking up my plants and get more flowers, which is brilliant. Come down here, we have my tomatoes and chilies right there, some lobelia at the front, next to only a few Galadoria, but there's only a few of those growing. Then at the back there we have some more delphiniums that are all looking absolutely amazing. These tomatoes, by the way, these, as you can see, these I had to wait to feed these because I didn't want to overfeed them, but now they're getting nice and green. I'll start feeding these a couple of times a week. These will grow really, really fast now, these tomatoes. At the front here we have some verbena. These have already been pinched out. As you can see here, look how good the growth is on those ones that have been pinched out. All new side growth. All these will produce flowers. So I am so looking forward to getting these in the garden. This one needs pinching out. This one hasn't been done actually. I missed one. But yeah, look at all the side growth there. Absolutely amazing. As we come round here, we have Dahlia Black Beauty, 3 of those there. There should have been a full tray of those, but the frost got to them. Then we have some echinacea at the back, petunias in the middle there, and some gypsophilia. We come round here, we have some sweet peas at the back there, looking really nice now. Then Dahlia at the front there, Jamaica, and these are one of my favourite plants. These are penstemons. These are all ready to get potted on. They're all looking really, really nice now. Then we look down there, we have Arboretia. Can't believe how well those are doing actually. Just said they've been nipped out, so they've been left and I've neglected them. But yeah, that's a quick whiz around my garden. My greenhouse, sorry. Oh, let's check on the tomatoes while we're here, shall we? One of these is struggling a little bit, but the rest look like they're starting to do really, really well. The other 2. So yeah, I've got a lot of potting up to do over the next few days. Me and Monkey, out with Monkey. We've got these penstemons to do, we've got these gypsophilia here to do, some petunias, some echinacea, some of the arboretums over there, and some penstemons. So all that potting up to do. Hope you'll stay with me. Hope you'll subscribe and like. I really do appreciate it. And thank you very much for watching, everybody. Say bye, Monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, Monkey. Thank you. Bye.